What is this? My face? This is the EliteHRV Heart Rate Variability Monitor CorSense that you can use in the morning. It goes on your fingers, easier to use than like a chest strap. Supposedly it's just as accurate. Let's see what's inside. Good old manuals. Then we also have the actual device itself. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's a little larger than I thought. I wish it did like oxygen levels as well. I don't think it does. Check it out. There it is. There's the money. It just slides onto your finger like so. Boom. Right there, and then you can do your measurement, you get your HRV, and it goes to the app. So let's pull up the app. Bah. Connect your device. Connect. Enable Bluetooth. Searching. Make sure it's on. There it is, CorSense. Add. All right, let's just do measure. Open HRV reading. We'll put our finger in. I think it goes like that on your finger. We'll just do, we are standing right now. Always want to position, you always want to do that, so take test. Waiting to receive, place the finger pad. Like so, right? You don't want it too far in. Live preview. What is this live preview? What is this? My face? Oh, it's gonna measure my emotions as well. All right, so let's turn to the side and it's gonna try to guess my emotions with my face. How much time do we need? I don't really know. Don't forget to blink.
A few moments later.
We'll do 1 minute. Getting antsy. Hey, stop. Finalizing calculations. HRV 44, that's relatively high, that's good. Heart rate 90, HRV chart. Heart rate chart, max heart rate, average heart rate. There it is, and then I can add tags like what to do, guided breathing, save. So typically you'd use this as a morning HRV score to understand how you are, right? If you don't have those tools that already measure your HRV throughout the night, this is another good way to either double check those tests or do that instead of those tests. All right, I did take their EliteHRV course, so I'm gonna share some more about what I've learned and what it's like. There it is, it charges via USB-A and micro USB. They give you this tiny little cable. It plugs into the back right there on the bottom portion, like so, and then you can plug it in and charge it as needed. I don't know how you get battery readings. Their app is really good. They have a lot of features, right? You can see trends. You can do HRV breathing classes, kind of like the Leaf Therapeutics, which is also very powerful. They have all this stuff that you can do, workout priming, focus. They have courses. This is the CorSense by EliteHRV. It's still pulsating blue. I don't know how to stop that. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Shervin. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.